Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Crystal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, guys, and if you are new over here, it's your girl Crystal here. Welcome to my channel where we never short of fun, laughter, and story time. Anyways, guys, we're gonna get right into the video. You know, and that video I could be on the vaccine, my take, and some more stuff. So, guys, remember to watch the whole video to the end. And leave a thumbs up and a comment in the comment section.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You make them clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be.
So guys, I know that you haven't seen me posting and welcome to my channel. Yeah guys, me know say una see me a post and my subs them a go up too, cause my subs a go up little by little, although me not post like often, but it done show no point already. Like but just want to get over certain things, then I start drop back some video. Cause I already use YouTube since what? Since what year? But guys, it's nothing. It's just stuff on a norm that's happening in a normal, in a human being life. Like there comes a time when people have to deal with other things, and as me tell you, can take YouTube. I can't deal with YouTube like that on a regular, cause it's not like me I earn no income from it and all of that. So there come a time when I go see me a post, and one other time like when I not go see me a post, to be honest. But I have some really interesting things to talk about. So guys, you just stay tuned and watch the video to the end and leave a thumbs up and a comment. You just happy some back. You just show some love to me, say I'm finally back. Yeah guys, but like a couple days I got take the vaccine, the COVID vaccine, and it kinda did make me feel some sort of pain, some minor pain, but it's nothing. It's nothing that I have to go and visit any doctor or stuff like that. It's just some little minor pain. It's not a really big issue, but that are one of the main reason why too. I'm not really opposed, cause I feel some pain, and plus me did have the flu what the year towards the ground that it kinda have me away like a baby. Me I tell you, it never normal. But guys, I'm say I know just give me like a couple more days, cause I'm gonna start do some more pranks and thing, but for now I kinda not try to deal with some things as me telling you about. I could have been posting about the flu and the vaccine. My. And I have to take the vaccine because I try to sort out some things. So I personally definitely have to take the vaccine to deal with what I deal with. So and guys, may I look on my watch time, my watch hours, and a good look. It's not a good look. I'm not going to buy a stone. And a good look. If you don't want to shout out for party, if you don't want to shout out for on the channel, if you don't want to shout out for that, just leave a comment in the comment section. I'm going to go and shout out in one of my next video then. But it's definitely not a good look, guys. I have like 700 and guys, I have like 759 subs, and I get like 30 odd views. Like, oh gosh. I not forget the whole 759 views, but guys, just come on, man. Please. When you want shout out, just talk to me. I'll give you guys a shout out in one of my next video. Watch the video for if I even 3 minutes out of the video, just watch it for like 3 minutes. And the I don't know, just help me. Help me and me help uno. Once you help me, I'm gonna help uno back. But when I come out, still, I go surprise uno guys with something which me not really like ready for kinda tell uno yet, but I have a surprise soon. And whenever I'm ready feel like tell you and stuff like that, I go tell you, but I not go tell you in the video here, but I have a surprise to you. And guys, when I watch the videos them so more. Just 3 minutes in a come on guys, you don't deal with me like that. But guys, I'm here and I kind of feel better. Yeah, feel better than before. I come on now, although I kind of have some minor back pain and giant pain, but definitely I come on and my soon going to some more prank story time challenges, vlogs, whatever. But just one couple more days, like I go start post, but I go start post some random things like exercising, vlogs, whatever. But the prank and thing, we just want a couple more days to go back to that, cause when I really get better like 100%, but better than before. Yeah guys, so da 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 da. And another thing too guys, what I want to do for me, I want to run go over my Instagram and follow me, and it will come up on the screen. And I want to run go follow my TikTok too, that also will come up on the screen. So I want to do that for me guys. I want to do that. Okay guys, please run go over to Jake One So Easy Vlogs and subscribe to him YouTube channel guys. He do some nice, really cool videos guys. Run go over there and just subscribe to at Jake One So Easy Vlogs. That also will come up on the screen guys. So just run go over there guys and show him the full support, because I know say we are young YouTuber and we're not blighted one another. We are support one another guys. So just run go over there. Tell him say I chill with Crystal soon, and just comment in the comment, just flood out the comment section and just watch the video. Them gonna just support him. See me? But yeah guys, this is the end of the video now, and I go actually cut the video so I big up on a nice clean self, and I'll definitely catch you guys in another video. Yeah guys, so I just go and big up on a nice clean self. Yeah, as I say, I will come back with some banger prank. So I just go and support the thing till I get recovery 100%. Alright guys, I'm gonna close off the video now, so I'm big up on myself.
Checking your reflection, it's